I need color.
Yes, chef.
Next, I need accessories.
Yes, chef.
And finally, give me spring.
Yes, chef.
Subscribe.
Et voila.
Ow.
I hurt myself. Oftentimes during spring, it can still be a little crispy out, but a great way to balance out that cold air but warm sun feeling is with a cozy knit worn with a pair of shorts or lightweight pants. I love the contrast of a chunky knit with the shorter hemline of your favorite shorts, and it's a great way to even out that tank top and jeans tan, which inevitably happens every single year. I love introducing spring shades into this formula, especially with a fun and bold shade like this hot pink. And for the go-to spring and summer bag, I think a nice basket or woven bag always does the trick. Another option is to style your favorite knit with a denim mini skirt. I love how a striped knit looks with a denim mini. It's chic, it's classic, it's modern, but has a bit of a nod to Parisian influence style. And the last take I love for this outfit recipe is a very understated knit worn with a pair of fun pants, which is something with a fun pattern, a pop of color, or perhaps is made of a less common fabric. And these green floral pants are made of a lightweight corduroy and are just the epitome of fun pants, pairing fabulously with this simple white cardigan. There are two major things we are loving for spring: effortless, don't have to think twice style, and belts. The love for fun, funky, cool belts is just sweeping the internet. If you're on TikTok, you know people are bringing back those 2000s belts, and just the belt craze, it's here. The girlies are loving belts, and it's me, I'm one of the girlies. So, by combining these two favorites, we end up with a belted maxi dress. A maxi dress is breezy, it's simple, and it 100% captures that I don't have to think twice energy. Spice it up just a touch with your favorite cool belt, and you've got something special. My pro tip for this one is to thrift your belts. There are so many cool, unique belts at the thrift store, and you can snag them for such great prices. Usually they're in the $3 to $5 range, but sometimes you can find one for just $1. And if you go to a flea market, they are going to be a little bit more expensive, likely falling in the $10 to $25 range, but they do have an even more curated selection. Also, another pro tip is if you hate the little loose end of a belt hanging out and it just gets caught on your arm or your bag and it's just annoying, like here shown in this green dress outfit, you can either use a little piece of fabric tape to secure it down, or you can just take the end of the belt and loop it through and down to tuck it away. Adjust the placement to however you like, and no more annoying loose end. Easy peasy lemon squeezy with this outfit. Here we've got another effortless outfit recipe that you can just tuck into your back pocket. We're going for a breezy button up, whatever cutie little top you like, and finishing it off with your favorite shorts of choice and a pair of sandals. Now, depending on what pieces and the fabrics of those pieces you choose, this outfit recipe can have a super casual vibe, or it can lean more into the elevated, tailored aesthetic. This can be a great beach day outfit, something to do some sightseeing in, go to brunch with friends, just have like a nice out and about day. You can go thrifting, get some iced coffee, you know, the formula for an amazing day. The options are endless. Just pick which vibe you want to go for and swap in whatever pieces you have in your closet to make this look your own. I will say accessories and footwear are key for locking in the aesthetic you're going for. Midi and maxi skirts are a spring staple. I love styling a maxi skirt with a simple top, and you could go for a more basic tank, or my personal favorite, upgrade slightly and reach for a vest and wear it buttoned up as a top. And you could of course go for a casual t-shirt too if that's more your style. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I've been loving a chunky belt to add a little bit of structure, add a little bit of spice, and I think a crossbody purse elongates the appearance of the look and really ties in that vacation-ready vibe. Or as a secondary option, you guys know I love my basket bags. Definitely though, depending on where you're going and what you're doing. Because though basket bags are so cute, so stylish, and they are one of my favorites, they can also be super duper easy to pickpocket from if you're traveling abroad. The pickpocketers, they're out and about. Think about that twice. Be considerate, be vigilant, but basket bags are a little too pickpocketer friendly, so think twice. Now let's talk about something a little bit more elevated, a little bit dressier. I love a sleeveless top paired with trousers. I just think it's fun to contrast a more stylish or structured vibe kind of piece, like trousers, with a more casual, softer vibe piece. You guys know I love my contrast, love my juxtaposition in fashion. Now in my two examples here, we've got the same pair of trousers styled with two different sleeveless tops. In one, we have a very textured green fleece top, and in the other, we've got a more casual linen vest top. So I think the lime green shade tones down the overall aesthetic of this top, which gives it a less serious feel versus if the top were in a more classic and neutral shade like cream, black, or a crisp white. And the vest top, being made of linen, also brings down the dressier nature of a vest style top. So both balance that perfect dressed up but dressed down feeling and pair so beautifully with the very crisp, tailored look of the white trousers. This outfit is truly spring Pinterest girly brought to life. And finally, one last button-up outfit, because you guys know I have such a penchant for a good button-up outfit. This outfit is the perfect vacation look, whether it's spring break, summer break, or just a Saturday afternoon reading on your porch. This is it. First up, breezy button down of your choice. It can be a solid color, stripes, which are forever just a warm weather essential, or you could do something a little bit more funky. Up to you. Then you're gonna style it over a bikini top, a tank, or one of those crop tops that you used to love, but you never reach for anymore, but you still have them tucked in the back of your closet. Then you're going to button up just the bottom few buttons, just enough so a little bit of the top you have layered underneath peeks out, or you could totally keep it open. Dealer's choice with this one. And you're going to wear this combo with a pair of breezy linen pants in whatever color brings you joy. Finish it off with a good pair of sandals, Birks, Crocs, whatever kind of shoe, breezy footwear you like, and soak up the sun, just like Sheryl Crow would have wanted. Now for this look, I'm gonna let you in on my secret style hack. It is to take some fashion tape and secure the lapels down into whatever kind of placement and neckline you like. Because oftentimes a button up, especially if it's made of linen or a more structured kind of fabric like denim, it just really wants to sit in a certain particular kind of way, especially just like very straight up and down, and it can be annoying. Sometimes it's just not the vibe or look you're going for, and it can lose the layered look that you might have with a tank top or some kind of top underneath. So by fashion taping down those lapels, you can create whatever kind of look and anglage you like. It's just great. And with that, you've got the perfect recipe book to make endless, gorgeous outfits all spring long. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun new style of video I've been doing. It has been so fun to do, and I just love how this came together. If you guys like these skits, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know what your favorite outfit formula is for spring, for summer. Which of these outfits is your favorite from this video? Just let me know all the things. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed. If you want to see more from me and see the traveling that I'm currently doing, make sure to follow along on TikTok and on Instagram at jessicaneistadt. And that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I love and appreciate you all so very much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.